Introducing the 2017 Holden Commodore SSV Red Line Edition. The Commodore is a rear-wheel drive four-door sedan with 5 seats, powered by a 6.2-litre naturally aspirated V8 engine that has 304 kilowatts of power and 570 Newton-meters of torque via a 6-speed manual transmission. Holden claims the Commodore SSV Red Line Edition uses 12.6-litre per 100 kilometers of unleaded petrol in the combined city and highway cycle while putting out 293 grams of CO2. It has a 71-litre fuel tank, meaning it should be able to travel 563 kilometers per full tank. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found our video informative. We offer same-day finance approval and extended warranty options. We also offer contactless purchasing. We provide Australia-wide delivery too. If you have any inquiry, please do give us a call, and one of our representatives will be able to answer any of your queries. We look forward to hear from you soon.